I'm back here with Ron Brown's YouTube channel, and we got an exciting product to show you today from the good folks over at StartRC. This is the case for the DJI Neo 2 drone, the latest kind of selfie drone from DJI, and this is small compact case here. This is kind of like you can call it a soft case, but it's definitely a form case here. And this is the unboxing and first look, but we're gonna skip, we skip past the unboxing because the unboxing looks like this. Plain brown box, wrapped in plastic or whatever, so we weren't gonna waste, 5 minutes pulling out of a plain box. So just kind of get through this video, quickly here so you guys can get your order in and whatever. Now, let me give you a little background. I already did a review of a case from StartRC for the Neo 2. It was the FPV case where you could put in the goggles, motion controller, and all the stuff that just goes with the FPV gear. And it was quite a big case or whatever compared to such a small drone here. But this case, and that's for the FPV guys, but this case is for the people who just want to kind of launch out of the palm of their hand, or maybe even fly it with their, their smartphone or whatever. They're not interested in taking controllers and a lot of bulky goggles and things with them. That's who this case is for today. And so let's get right to it. It has your suitcase style handle, right here on top. Has the kind of the rings here for a strap, which we're going to show you in a second here, and then it has the StartRC logo down here. The back is just plain, and of course it has the double zippers here with the kind of red StartRC coloring and logos on it. So let's get this down here and kind of do the unzip here, and yeah. So here you go. I'm going to keep this away from my mic here. So we have the strap, which we're going to install in a second here. We have the white card that all these StartRC products come from. I don't know what that's for. And then we're going to go right to the upper mesh compartment here, the zipper compartment. That's good for keeping cables, maybe chargers, maybe some paperwork, maybe you have this registered, you got your Part 107 paperwork, or even your trust test or whatever up in there. And then down here is for the drone, and the batteries here, and we're going to show you that in a second here. But I want to go right to the strap here, because if we don't do the strap, we're going to forget it. A lot of people ask, does it have a strap? And how does it work? So okay, comes with a color matching strap here with an adjustable kind of ring here, to adjust it longer or shorter depending on your height. Now these rings here, they feel like they're made of plastic here. The ring feels like it's metal, so we're going to put the one right like that, and then the other side, we're going to do the same thing over here. Keep it on camera as much as possible. So yeah, they go in real securely here. Now, of course, this big guy like me, this isn't going to work for me really. I'd have to loosen this up here, but I'm not going to do it in the video. Everybody knows how to loosen a strap on, like almost a camera strap or any type of bag strap here. So that's how you can carry it, on your shoulder like that. So handy if you want to keep both hands free. But we were going to take it off again here. It makes it easier to do the video here without the strap getting in the way here. Some people just don't like straps, some do, so your choice. Okay, so let's get this case open up again here. And again, I showed you the compartments here. Now, it has a space, for the drone here. And let's see, it probably goes in like this here. And, let's try it the other way just in case. Yeah, it doesn't look like it matters either way, but I want to go this way with it because it seems like the antennas sink further down. No, look, it's cut. It's cut here for the front of the drone. See how this sticks out here? So again, I haven't practiced video. This is the very first time I'm doing any of this. So it goes in like this, because you see the custom cut there for those bumpers on the front of the drone. So we learned something right there. It looks like the antennas sink far enough down in there that you can put the top closed without bending or hurting these antennae at all. Now, it doesn't look like there's any room underneath the drone for anything else here. So there's no extra storage down there in case you were wondering. And over here is for the 2 extra batteries. Now I have the battery hub right here. And of course there's no room for the hub in here. This is a very compact case, but you can take the batteries out, which aren't easy on this hub here. All right, so never easy to get the batteries out, but you know, you put them in here. Let's see how they go in here. Not sure here which direction's which here. I think that's it, but they kind of fit in every direction. You know, I don't think it really matters what way you put them in. So there you go. You got your drone, you 2 extra batteries on the bottom and 1 battery in the drone. So you zip back up here, and so this is a very compact and light setup for on the go. Again, if you're hand launching or flying with your phone with the Fly app, this is kind of all you need out there, you know, in the field, especially if you want to stay light and mobile, you know, on the go kind of drone photography and reporting. This is your kit here. Now, the big question is, how much is this here? So we're going to be right back with the next section of the video. We discuss pricing and availability for this case here. I've got Amazon.com up on my phone here, the app here, and they call this a StartRC Neo 2 case, portable PU shoulder handbag for the Neo 2 drone and battery accessories, okay? It is $24.99 on Amazon.com. Quick delivery. If I order today, which is today's Monday the 12th, it would be here the 13th. So 1-day shipping where I live or whatever. This could vary depending on, you know, where you're ordering from. It ships from Amazon, so it's an Amazon warehouse. You got free 30-day return replacement options on it here, and there's no current discounts or sales on it. Again, $24.99 free shipping if you're an Amazon Prime member. Some of the top highlights here: custom design, large capacity modular organization, full protection, lightweight design, and so on here. So yeah, I will of course include a link down below, you know, so you can use my purchase link. And full disclosure here, I am an Amazon affiliate seller, so I will get a small commission from anything you purchase through those Amazon links I put down below. So of course, if you get the case, I will get a percentage off that. And while getting the case, you decide to get some other drone accessories or drones or anything, you know, new sunglasses, I'll get commission off all that. So it's a good way to help the channel out. I don't like kind of any paid memberships, or, you know, I don't take any money for anything I'm doing with these videos any other way. So the only way I'm making much of anything is through these affiliate links here. And you probably see the cap here. StartRC did send me this case out for you know, for review here. We're actually unboxing first look here. I didn't review anything here, so I didn't tell you it was good, bad, or the other. I didn't compare it to anything. So this is, like I said, a first look and unbox here. And I do not have to send the case back. I can keep it. But StartRC does not have any control over what I say in this video. They're not giving me a script to read or follow, whatever. They're not going to see this video before I put it up. So that's the, you know, full disclosure there. So I do want to thank you for stopping by and checking this video out here. If you got anything out of it, give me the thumbs up, leave a comment down below, because both of those things help the YouTube algorithm shoot my video out to more than just my, you know, regular subscribers here. And speaking of subscribers, if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, and also ring that bell so you know when I put up more content related to, you know, DJI Neo 2 or drones in general, or even just general camera content. So yeah, and I'm not going to say goodbye here. I'm going to say I'm going to link another video up top here that you may be interested in. It's related to this video, and I will see you at that next video.